Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to replace a 2014 Jeep Cherokee headlight. Begin by disconnecting the battery to avoid shorts. Open the hood and locate the headlight assembly retaining bolts. Remove the bolts and carefully pull the assembly forward to access the bulb and wiring harness. Unclip the harness and remove the old bulb, then install the new bulb and reattach the harness securely. Test the light before reassembling the trim and closing the hood. Start by removing the retaining bolts holding the headlight assembly in place, keeping track of fasteners. Gently pull the assembly forward until you can access the rear and find the wiring harness clip. Unclip the harness and then twist the bulb counterclockwise to remove it from the socket. Inspect the connector for corrosion or damage and clean if necessary. This step makes replacing the bulb quick and reduces risk of breaking fragile parts while handling the assembly. Insert the new bulb by aligning its tabs with the socket and twisting clockwise until it locks firmly in place. Reconnect the wiring harness and listen for the clip to click, confirming a solid electrical connection. Before tightening everything down, test the headlight to confirm it illuminates correctly. If the light works, reposition the assembly into its mounting and tighten the retaining bolts evenly to avoid misalignment. Close the hood and recheck beam aim if necessary.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.